Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'll show you how to get your first free domain, and you can connect with Vercel or any hosting provider, and you will get your first professional email. So let's get started. First, go to this link dash.domain.digitalprod.org. Here you have to log in if you already have account. If you don't have account, let's go to create an account, and I will just provide this information. I will just go here and provide my information. Here your email, full name and phone number. Your phone number format must be plus your country code dash your phone number. I'll just go ahead, and here you will select a password. We don't have a referral code, just skip here, and here you will add your address. First street, I will add my address and postal code, and here your province, and select your country. Mine is Afghanistan, and check this, and you have to register. Save the information. They will send a link, a verification code. So go to your email, here you can see I got the code. Just copy and paste it here, verify it, and you're all done. Save it, and now you can log in. Now you have to connect this to GitHub. Here you can see you have to authenticate with GitHub too. So go ahead, and if you don't have account in GitHub, create an account, and if you have an account, you can just log in. So just go with Google this. You can see I didn't have an account, and here everything is okay, and create the account. Now once your account is created, you can authorize it. Here your account, your dashboard is ready, and you can get your domain. So once you're in your dashboard, in the left side you can see this register. Just click on it, scroll down. Here you will type your domain name, like I want Shahid Dev, and your subdomain like us.kg, dpdns.org, or others. I recommend dpdns.org because it's free, and it's also in suffix list, public suffix list, or PSL. You can also use us.kg, which is also in the PSL, but it's a paid domain. So I will go ahead with dpdns.org. Check mark this and check availability. If it's available, you will get this. Once you are here, you will need name servers. Go to cloudflare.com and log in. If you have account, you can just email and password, or you don't have account, you can create account, but I will use Google because it's easy. Once you're logged in, you will be in your dashboard like this. In your left side, click on domains and then transfers. This list will be empty. Just click get started and type your domain that we got. Just copy this from here and paste it here. You can leave as it is and click continue. just select free plan. Now here you have DNS records, but we don't have any DNS records, or we don't need it right now. You can go to DNS and go to settings. Here you will find these name servers. Copy this name server and paste it here. Make sure it don't have any spaces or anything, and also copy this one, copy and paste it here. Again, make sure there is any extra spaces. Okay, now we are all done, and click on register, click on OK. Now the domain is ready. You are here, you can go to overview, but it will take some time that to propagate your name servers. It can take from 10 minutes to 24 hours, so be patient. Now our domain is ready, we can connect it to Vercel. Let's go to Vercel. Here, sign up if you don't have an account, and if you have an account you can simply log in. I'll go with GitHub. Yes, authorize. Here you will select your plan. I'm using personal projects, so it's free. Here dev is my team name, team URL. So let's go with Shahir Dev 38, I guess, if it's available. Now you are in your Vercel dashboard. We can connect GitHub. Let's go with github.com, and if we have any project on GitHub, you can connect it to Vercel. I don't have any project, so let's go and create a project. I will name it Shahir Dev. If you want, you can add a description. You can, if you choose private or public, it doesn't matter. So let's go create repository. Now I will add my GitHub to here. I will upload my files, an existing file. Let me just add files here. I will upload this file. Just wait until it's uploaded and commit changes. Okay, here is my repositories available now, and we'll continue with GitHub to import for the account. Okay, let's install this. GitHub all repositories, yes, installing. Yeah, and it's done. It will import our repositories. Here is our repository, just import it. Project name Shahir Dev, or we can use Shahir Dev if it's available. Application presets, you can use these application types, but Vercel will automatically find it. So our was GitHub HTML, so it found it. Now we will wait until our deployment is ready. Now we are ready, and we can visit it. shahirdev.vercel.app. Here you can see this is our website. Now let's connect our domain to the Vercel, to this project. Go back. Now you are in the, select your project here. Once you select your project, in the left side here you can see domains. Just go here and click on add existing domain. Type your domain. Our domain, what was it? shahirdev.dpdns.org. Just paste it here. Now we are good to go. Add domain, domain added. Now we'll configure our domain. Vercel will give us some records to add. As you can see, type A, name add, and this is the value. Now we'll go to get our Cloudflare, because our domain name server was Cloudflare. We will go to DNS and records. Got it? Okay, now we'll have to add a record. Add record, type A, this was the name and this was the address. Make sure it's on and save. You can see it's now added. What's the next record? The txt record. That this is the name and this is the value. Just copy it using the button. So add a new record. What is the record? Was txt, the name underscore Vercel, and this was the content, and you can save it. You have to wait a bit, like a minute, or it can take less or more, up to 24 hours to propagate. And once it's fully done, you can hit refresh and Vercel will verify it. Now as you can see, our domain is connected, but it says no deployment. It will take some time and your certificate will be ready, and it's ready, as you can see in the now we can just copy this and open it. You can see our website will load, and here it is. Our domain is connected to our host. Just wait a little. This can take some time to validate the certificate and configuration. Now the domain is ready and our website is ready. Let's go with your professional email. You can add your professional email here. One free service is Improve MX. You can use it here, improvemx.com. This allows you to receive up to 400 emails per day. Let's go get started free. If you don't have account, you have to create account. I will just go to create the account. Okay, save it and confirmation email. Just go to your email and you will get the email from ImproveMix. Here now we get the email, confirm and sign in. Now you will have to add your full name, country. I'll just select Afghanistan here. I'll select this, I don't want invalid captcha. Now it's good, continue. Now you are logged into ImproveMix account. Here you will have to add your domain. Our was shahirdev.dpdns.organization. Add domain. Now it's not set up yet. You can click on set up, and under here you'll add some records. Type mx, name add, priority 10, and this is mail server. You will go to your Cloudflare dashboard and add a record. They said the record is mx. This is the name, this is the mail server, the priority is 10. Set this as auto. Now we need another record. This is also mx, name root, and we'll just just copy the next value here, and as you can see the priority was 20. Save it. These are added. Now we need another record, which is a text record, and this is the value, this is the name. Add record and type txt, the name was add, and this was the content. Make sure there is no spaces like in the beginning or the end. Now just wait a bit and you can check here and it will validate, and you can now use your email. How to use it? Just go to aliases. You can add here like contact, just contact here, add your domain will be forwarded to this. Okay, you can check it by sending a test email. Just let's send a test email. You should receive it. Here you can see the email as the forwarding is active and you can receive emails. Let's check if we get the email to contact@shahiddev.dbdns.org. It will take some time. You can also see it in the logs. We didn't receive it yet, so until we receive that, you can add as much aliases as you want, like no reply, or you can forward it to any email. I will forward like this to everythingfree@gmail.com. This is my other email. I will forward this to that email, and you can add another as much as you want.